Hello, it's Annelie van Rensburg, and today I want to show you a quick and easy background that I always use in my artwork most of the times. I'm going to use my inks. I don't have a canvas, so I'm going to use a piece of MDF board, and I'm going to use a few of these paper doilies, or maybe this, I'm not sure yet at the moment. This is like a I don't know what you call it, rattan or something, I'm not sure. But anyways, the colors I'm going to use, my three favorite colors in the inks. It's my Antelope Brown, my Flame Orange, and the one that I can't pronounce, Phtalocyanine Green, the blue shade. And I hope you enjoy this. If you use a canvas, you don't need to wet it beforehand, but as I'm using these superwood boards, I'm going to slightly wet it, because otherwise the inks tend to go into my canvas or into my board very quickly, and I want it to spread a little bit. So I'm just going to quickly, just slightly wet it, and then I'm going to drop some of these colors on this board, and I'm going to maybe spray it with a water bottle. I don't know if it's going to go well with this one lying here, so he maybe would jump up and go. But anyways, I'm just going to put a little bit of my Antelope Brown first, and this lovely blue shade, or that color that I can't pronounce. I love these colors together. It's beautiful for me. Okay, then I'm just going to quickly spray them a little bit. I want them to slightly mix together. Okay, I'm going to use my brush for this. I don't know why it's not mixing as I planned, but we'll just mix it now. So what I usually do, I do these, and then I put the doily on top, and then the doily sucks up some of the pigment, and then you get this lovely patterns in the background. This one is actually a little bit too dark. You must be careful when you do the inks, their pigment is very strong. I think I'm going to drop in a little bit of the orange as well. You can see how nicely it's starting to spread. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. I think let us try this paper doilies. So what you do is you just you can just press it down a little bit that it can touch your canvas. I actually don't love this butterflies, but I haven't got any at the moment. And here where I live, I can't get hold of it. Okay. Yeah, I must have thrown that also in. I don't know. Actually needed to use that one. I like it more. But now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave it like this. And when it's dry, I will come back and I will show you how it looks. Okay, I've just let it dry for a while, and I've started to taking the paper doily off. As you can see, it's still wet in some places. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up. There's still a little bit of paper left here and there, but what I'll do, if it's dry, I'll just wash it off with a you know, a wet cloth or something. That once that's bedded into the acrylic ink, I'm not gonna even bother to take them off, because I like the texture. You can see there you get a lot of nice textures. I think that piece is maybe going to stay. Yeah, and as you can see, you've got a lovely background to work onto now. So what I'll do is I'll come back and I'll show you what I'm going to do with this after it's dried. It's still wet in some areas, so I still need to let it dry a little bit more. Okay, this is dry now, so I'm going to paint now on this. I already sketched a little horse there for me. I hope you can see it. I've taken out these colors. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. In the acrylic inks, the Waterfall Green, Turquoise, Silver Moss, and then I found these ones locally with the nicest colors, golds and bronzes and rose golds, and this Malachite. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. Maybe I'm not going to use all of these, but and then my usual Antelope Brown and the things that I took out in the beginning, I'm also going to use maybe. So we'll just see as we go along. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here, so I'm just going to start off with the gold, and I'm going to fill in all these marks that the paper doily made. And then I'll see as I go along what I'm going to take out or what I'm not going to take out. So as I said, I don't know what I'm going to do, so you can just sit back and relax and watch my process. Okay, I'm done with my little horse. I'm just going to sign my name now and then I'll show you a close-up. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell that you can see my future uploads. I enjoyed painting this, so you must have a nice day, and I will see you next time.